it is also ICT-driven. The app, Police VGS Emergency Response and Reporting System, that we are unveiling today, is one of those many other apps that will be coming in the days ahead. The groundbreaking initiative that represents a pivotal milestone in our commitment to providing top-notch security services and smart policing to all residents across Nigeria. This state-of-the-art platform, utilizing Android and iOS applications, will revolutionize the way we respond to emergency situations, ensuring swift and efficient action in critical moments. This innovative system reflects our commitment to enhancing public safety, bolstering security, and fostering a safer environment for every Nigerian citizen. The Police VGS application marks a significant step forward in our efforts to move away from analog policing and stay in tune with current happenings in the global system. Police VGS is not just an app, it's a lifeline that can make all the difference in saving lives, combating the menace of crime, and protecting our communities. It is pertinent to reiterate that our mandate to protect the lives and properties of every Nigerian, as enshrined in the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, and police principles, can only be achieved through all-inclusiveness and diversification of ideas, including the use of cutting-edge technology to effectively tackle various dimensions of crimes and criminality. We have a strong conviction that together we can usher in a new era of security and safety for Nigeria. Let us be united in our support for this system and make it work for the good of our country. On this note, I hereby unveil the Police VGS Quick Emergency Reporting and Response System platform for the use of all and sundry in Nigeria. Thank you.
The new technology that make it easy for security agencies to effectively protect all of us while also keeping the security personnel out of harm's way. Police VGS application provided 21st century precision security in the safest way possible, thereby aligning Nigeria to modern policing in this era of the fourth industrial revolution. As criminals get advanced in technology and weaponry, crime prevention officers must always stay a step ahead of them for effective security strategy.